Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a bit of experimenting. This is a wheel cleaner, and the wheel cleaner you put on your car's rims, as you can see, and it removes all the iron and the brake dust and all the dirt. I was wondering if you can use this also as a iron and brake dust remover on your car's paint. My car's white paint. Because as you can see, I still have a bit in there. I read that it does almost the same thing. But yeah, does it create the same result? Do you see the agitation? Do you see the metal parts dissolving? Will it do anything to the paint? I don't know, I'm a bit worried, but I'm going to test it today on my white paint to see what type of result it gives. And whether you can use these wheel cleaners also on your white car paint to remove brake dust. Enjoy the video. So we're now at the car wash, but today we're going to use this product, not on that, but on that, and see if it does exactly the same thing. Here we go. Open it up. The product has been shaken. And let's spray a panel here. It's pinkish. And let's see if it'll start agitate red in a little bit, and whether it gets the same result as if you were to put the dedicated brake dust remover on here. Stay tuned. So I've sprayed the product on, the wheel cleaner, on my car's paint. I don't see any signs yet that it's working. I'll agitate it a bit further with this towel to spread it around and see what happens. It is doing something. As you can see here, there's a particle of iron that starts to dissolve, but not massively on the panel. So I guess it's working, but my conclusion so far would be that a dedicated iron and brake dust remover for the car's paint would be better. And as you can see, it's doing something. Let's see what happens in a few minutes. Also here, more particles are starting to dissolve, so it is actually working. So in the beginning it wasn't doing anything, but then it started to work. I'm quite pleased with the result. So I will now hose the car down and check the final result. So what is my conclusion? Would I advise you to use a wheel cleaner on your car's paint if you wanted to remove brake dust and iron particles? I guess the answer would be, well, no. I think it's better to get a dedicated product for it because it works stronger and it's optimized for the car's luck. However, if you really didn't have any time, or you urgently wanted to do something, or you have a bottle that's almost empty and you want to replace it and buy a new wheel cleaner anyways, you could use it on your car's paint. But I've seen other products achieving much better results than a regular wheel cleaner. So my advice would be to keep the specialist for what it's designed to do, wheels, and get another product to move the iron from your car's paint. I hope this was useful. Let me know if you have any comments. Have you ever used this on your car's paint, and did you have a different outcome than me? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you and hope that this was helpful. See you on the next video. Bye.